Good morning from Maryland. I'd like you to look at this traveling device. It's not a Travelift brand, but that's what everybody calls these things, just like Xerox or Frigidaire. But the unique thing about this one, you can see that dark metal pipe. It's not actually a hollow pipe, it's been welded shut at both ends. But you can see how it's bowed in the middle. That's where they spread these straps right and left for the larger or the smaller boats. But look how it's bowed in the middle. So that makes me wonder, is the pipe itself weak? Or did they lift up a boat too heavy and bent it? It's obvious that it's bent. So looking at the other one, on the far side, it's not bent. So I'm just worried what the insurance company thinks about this. And I'm worried about if they've changed the load limit on this to make it a much smaller boat or lighter weight boat. If you want to learn more about boat maintenance, haul-out facilities, painting your bottom, changing your zincs or your propellers, remember to ask Captain Chris.